My battle with adult acne started around the age of 23. It started as few breakouts here and there, then quickly got out of control. It was also my first time dealing with acne since I grew up having fairly clear skin, so I was pretty frustrated and stressed. I hid behind makeup and the pain was excruciating. Then things started looking up around 2018, 2019, up until the winter before going into the dreaded 2020. It was probably my worst breakout in a really long time. Since then, it's been an ongoing battle to control my acne. But given that it's winter and my skin hasn't broken out like it did last year, I must be doing something right. So I wanted to share the routine that's been working for me. So the first thing I do is I double cleanse. Whether I have makeup on or not, I will always double cleanse, starting with my micellar water from Bioderma. For my second cleanser, I use this Make Prem foaming cleanser that's low in pH and really good for sensitive skin. The foam is really small, so it gets into the crevices and the little corners to remove any dirt, makeup, and all the impurities on your face. Once a week, I'll do a sheet mask right after I wash my face. And on those days, I like to use this cooling tool to massage the essence into the skin. It's very cooling. It also is really great for firming and tightening the skin. But I only do this once a week because I'm lazy. So let's move on with my normal skincare routine. I'm using my beauty water from Sonnen Park. This toner is very mild. It's very cleansing and refreshing. I like to use this on a cotton pad and gently wipe away any dirt, leftover impurities, and I like to drag this down to my neck and behind the ears to give it an extra cleanse in those areas. Next, I'm using my Huamisa Organic Flower Toner. I use it as an essence because the texture is very rich and hydrating. And gently tapping the product into the skin. I actually do this twice because I need the extra hydration during these dry winter times. Then I'm using the ordinary niacinamide and zinc serum. I used to use this way back when my skin was at its prime, but when I ran out, I just never repurchased it. This helps with redness, inflammation, and also adds hydration. I have really dry skin, so hydration is a must. Next is my favorite step. I'm using the Serum moisturizer. I've been married to this for almost 5 years now. This is my favorite step because I actually use this moisturizer to massage my face at night. I'm using the flat part of my middle knuckles, starting at the back of the neck and then the V area in the front of the neck. I hope that makes sense. Then I'm shaping my jaws and then massaging the jaws upwards to lift everything. And then I make my way up to the cheeks, finishing off with the brow bone. We want to lift everything. finally, my last step, the tretinoin cream. This is available by prescription only and is proven to work for acne and anti-aging. I've had an on and off relationship with it, but quarantine has made me a committed girl. If you want an in-depth video about tretinoin, let me know in the comments. I can't see without my contacts. So I use a small amount and dot it all over the face. Then gently pat it into the skin, avoiding the eye area. I also use it on my neck to minimize the neck wrinkles that I was born with. An unfortunate circumstance, but it is what it is. And that's my nighttime skincare routine. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!